your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
You know me, Caleb, I love me some sunshine, but today was nice to kind of have a break and have, the kind of a showery sun day and get some laundry done inside.
Yeah, absolutely. We needed the rain too. So, we've had plenty of sunshine last week. We just kind of had to pay for it in this weekend, I guess. But yeah, so the rain fell today. We've been so dry lately. We did need it. We clicked off over an inch of rain, actually, a lot of us in mid-Michigan here, so that is nice to see here. Hey, here's a live look outside of our studio right now. We do have some thunderstorms rolling this way. They'll be here in the next 20 to 30 minutes here. Our temperature is at 67 degrees. When these storms roll through, mainly just have a brief downpour. They'll move out just as quickly as they did move in. But it's just tacking on to the rainfall totals we have experienced over this active weekend for us. Here is the almanac. We got to 77 degrees today, so it was slightly below seasonable. Our low temperature slightly above at 63 degrees. Far cry from our record high of 100 degrees set back in 1964. We did also click off 1.11 inches of rain there in downtown Lansing. Puts us to 1.12 inches because we had that massive 0.01 inch fall yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look at our temperatures elsewhere. We're at 67 degrees right now in Elma and Lansing, 65 in Mason, 67 Jackson, 62 degrees in Hillsdale, 66 Coldwater, and 68 degrees in Marshall. Over in Ann Arbor, it looks like that is our cool spot at 60 degrees right now. Here is the satellite and the radar right now. All kinds of cloud cover right now. You can see these little thunderstorms rolling this way. Again, they're going to move through pretty quickly here, just tacking on some more rainfall for us. Also, we'll see some lightning. We also have another storm moving towards Branch County right now. That one looks like a little bit stronger, more lightning and some heavier rain associated with that one. As I zoom out, well, you can see we had that low pressure system move through today. That moved off quickly to the north and east, spreading some severe weather right now into New England. Behind that, though, our next system, this is slowly moving this way. It's going to move through tomorrow. A stalled frontal boundary will set up right over mid-Michigan, bisecting us almost perfectly in half, and then that low pressure will ride right along it, bringing showers and thunderstorms to the region. Then behind that, well, Nicole, that's what Nicole wants to see, because high pressure is going to bring us a lot of sunshine through the next work week, and that is always good to see. Let's go ahead and talk about Tropical Storm Isaias here. So a few hours ago, it was moving northwest at around 8 miles per hour. So one good thing to note here is it just took on a more northerly component at 9 miles per hour. So it's starting to move a little bit away from the coastline. It's just been battering the Florida coastline. You can see some of these bands moving off on shore. That's where you have those tropical storm force winds moving into Florida, dealing with storm surge, some pretty high waves as well. So also some flooding rains down in the Bahamas still. They're certainly going to be happy to see that system move off, and that is what is going to happen here, is move through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. You can see it taking that northeast component, or northeast track eventually. Now, it's right now encountering some not favorable environment for its intensification, but as it moves northward, it's going to potentially re-intensify a little bit. Can't rule out it forming a Cat 1 hurricane by the time it makes another landfall somewhere in the Carolinas, but then it's going to move quickly to the northeast, affecting the mid-Atlantic states, and eventually move into the northeast before exiting into the Canadian Maritimes sometimes late next week. Let's go ahead and bring it back to mid-Michigan here and time out our forecast. So as we move through the overnight hours, you can see these heavier showers, a couple of thunderstorms roll through. Once they roll through, I think we turn partly to mostly cloudy through the overnight hours. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy. As I said, that low pressure system does move through, bringing scattered showers and storms back to mid-Michigan, just adding to the rainfall we received over this weekend. Eventually that does move off, and then behind that we try to clear out, but the upper level low pressure system driving our active weather this weekend slowly moves through on Tuesday, moves off. So I think we still keep a couple of showers in the forecast with a mix of sun and clouds through the day on Tuesday. Here's the forecast. Tonight, 61 degrees, mostly cloudy, a couple of thunderstorms, some of those showers, southwest wind 3 to 6 miles per hour. For tomorrow, 73 degrees, awfully cool. We should be in the low 80s this time of the year. Starting off August on the cool side for us. Mostly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms and showers, northeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now here's the next 7 days beyond Tuesday. Tuesday, is going to be pretty cool. We're going to be 71 degrees for a high. This is the coolest air we've seen since the middle of June. Behind that, then Wednesday's low 51. Some of us in the upper 40s. And then moving through the rest of the week, lots of sunshine and warming up by next weekend.